Commercial cleaning service provides a ton of benefits. For one, it's a professional look for your clients and customers when they come in to see a well-kept building. It also can decrease the amount of sick days for your employees by having the professional cleaners use certain disinfectants, chemicals, and are trained in eliminating allergens and bacteria. Takes away from the employees having to do a lot of the cleanup, which saves them time and they can actually focus on work. I think a lot of times that's like missed, and you kind of don't realize how long it actually takes to clean up your trash or run your dishes, and it actually saves a lot of your employees' time. By hiring a cleaning service, we can help upkeep your property and building space so it stays nice and fresh for a longer period of time. By doing quarterly floor work, we keep your floors looking nice and maintained. Windows, we keep them always looking fresh so they don't have buildup or grime and dirt. So it actually just can help the building as a whole be maintained longer.